We all like to believe we understand why we act, feel, or think the way we do. But in truth, many of our behaviors follow hidden circuits, subtle brain wiring, evolutionary echoes, or strange subconscious scripts. Below are 50 surprising psychology insights that uncover how your mind really works. 1. Talking to yourself doesn't mean you're crazy. It's actually your brain coaching itself. Verbalizing your thoughts can sharpen focus and self-control. Champions, surgeons, even chess masters use self-talk to stay sharp. 2. Messy handwriting may hide a hyperactive mind. When your thoughts outrun your pen, your writing turns chaotic. That mess on paper can be proof your brain fires faster than your hand. 3. Your brain recognizes negative words faster than positive ones. It's evolution's legacy. Spotting danger mattered more than savoring praise. That's why criticism lingers longer than compliments. 4. Multitasking is a myth. It lowers your performance. Each time you switch tasks, you lose focus. The cost? Your mental sharpness drops, as if you pulled an all-nighter. 5. Doodling during a talk helps you remember better. When your hand sketches, the body relaxes and your brain locks into the message more deeply. 6. A rapid heartbeat can fool you into thinking you're in love. Fear, excitement, or exercise can trigger adrenaline, and your brain might misinterpret that as attraction. 7. We often mirror the body language of those we feel close to. Crossing your arms, tilting your head, these unconscious gestures build rapport without a word. 8. Quiet people often observe more than they speak. While others talk, the silent ones scan expressions, patterns, and cues others miss. 9. Rejection and physical pain activate the same brain regions. Social hurts register in your neural circuits just like a bruise would. Emotional wounds are real. 10. Most people lie once or twice a day. Often little fibs, like, "I'm fine," or "I'll be there soon." Not dramatic betrayals, but soft shields to avoid conflict. 11. Chewing gum can boost memory and concentration. That simple chewing motion increases blood flow to the brain, a tiny trick students and soldiers use. 12. Those who stay calm under pressure often had early stress exposure. A childhood of unpredictability can harden the nervous system. Calmness becomes survival training. 13. Your mind is more inventive when you're a little tired. Fatigue loosens filters in the brain, letting strange, surprising ideas slip through. 14. Laughter at dark jokes often indicates emotional strength. It's not cruelty, it's resilience. Humor becomes a shield when the weight of life is heavy. 15. Women often excel at shifting between tasks. Men often excel at deep focus. It's not a men versus women superiority thing, just a difference in mental wiring shaped by evolution. 16. Most people underrate how attractive they are to others. You see your flaws magnified, while others see the glow in your gestures, your presence. 17. Night owls tend to question norms more. People who stay up late often push boundaries and resist conventional thinking. Darkness has nurtured rebels. 18. Imagining can rewire your brain like real practice. Visualizing movements or skills activate neural circuits similar to doing them. 19. Fewer friends often correlate with deeper relationships. A small social circle may mean you're skipping quantity to invest in quality. 20. Journaling your worries before bed relieves the mind. Writing frees the brain from looping anxieties, allowing smoother sleep. 21. Talking to strangers daily can boost your mood. A brief hello to someone you don't know can fuel your social brain in small but meaningful ways. 22. Silence discomfort reveals our fear of self-reflection. We chatter to avoid stillness, to avoid the inner noise we hear in quiet. 23. Frequent swearers are often more honest. When filtered language drops, raw words sometimes reflect raw truth. Profanity can be sincerity's blunt instrument. 24. Songs with lyrics interfere with thinking, instrumentals don't. Words compete with your internal voice. That's why lo-fi beats or ambient works help focus. 25. Couples who laugh together stay together longer. Humor isn't just fun, it's glue. Shared jokes reflect shared perspectives. 26. Empaths feel others' pain in their own bodies. Mirror neurons trigger your internal alarm when others suffer. It's not metaphor, but biology. 27. Frequent daydreamers often solve problems better. Your wandering mind is your internal sandbox, testing ideas away from pressure. 28. The more you push for happiness, the harder it gets. Joy often arrives sideways, not in chase mode. It's a byproduct, not a target. 29. Fast walkers tend to live longer. Your gait becomes a signal. Those who move with energy often mirror health and vitality. 30. Memory rewrites itself every time you recall it. You don't replay a video, you retell a story, and each retelling shifts the narrative. 31. Highly intelligent people often overthink. Their gift becomes a trap. Every possibility becomes a spinning spiral. 32. A sincere compliment often triggers more dopamine than money. A thank you or "you're great" can light up reward circuits faster than currency. 33. We listen more when instructions include our name. That tiny sound centers attention. It feels personal and harder to ignore. 34. Blue calms your mind. Whether the sky or sea, blue signals safety. It slows the heart and quiets mental storms. 35. Emotional events burn strongest into memory. Fear, love, grief, those moments become etched while ordinary days fade. 36. Smile, even if forced, and your brain will release happiness chemicals. The body fakes it until the mind believes it. 37. Those who prefer solitude often thrive emotionally. Your own company becomes your strength rather than a refuge from weakness. 38. Anger is often a mask for fear or sadness. The roar hides the tremble. Beneath aggression often lies something fragile. 39. Confiding secrets deepens bonds. Vulnerability is currency. Sharing what scares you builds trust stronger than distance. 40. Reading fiction sharpens empathy. You live lives through pages. You breathe others' inner worlds as you turn pages. 41. Exhaustion makes people more agreeable. Fatigue lowers mental resistance. When you're tired, your mind tends toward yes. 42. Those who forgive easily are mentally stronger. Holding resentment ties you to stress. Letting go frees your head and your heart. 43. We remember faces far more reliably than names. Evolution wired us to spot allies. Faces carry more survival weight than labels. 44. Difficulty with eye contact often signals deep thought. Looking away doesn't mean disengagement. Sometimes it means your brain is diving deeper. 45. Most choices begin as emotion, then logic follows. The heart leaps first, the mind rushes to justify it. 46. Talking fast often gives an impression of confidence. Speed suggests certainty. Your voice knows what it's saying, even if content is the same. 47. The brain is wired to see threats more than opportunities. Evolution preferred safer over snack. Better to avoid danger than lose an advantage. 48. Writing goals down increases success likelihood by over 40%. When ideas leave your head and hit the page, they shift into commitment. 49. Loneliness wears on your physical health. Isolation does more than wound the heart, it weakens the immune system too. 50. Your treatment of others reveals your own state. Kindness, cruelty, warmth, these say more about who you are than who they are. These aren't just random curiosities. They are the silent codes running beneath your moods, decisions, and moments. Your laughter, your silence,